Everything you see, trust me, the outcome gonna be crazy. It's my skill tree.
Did they get loose on us? Dang it. Should have strung them up better.
Sorry.
Somebody around here has to catch him.
Put that saw to use, big boy.
Grandpa, it's gonna be so dark. You'll never see this. It always works.
Right here.
This'll catch him.
Give it to me. Give it to me. Don't give it to him. Come on. Give it to me. Go that way. That shit for me. That shit for me. I told you. Come on. What I'm talking about.
Fight over here.
Alright, that's still though. Go check back here again.
Well, ain't you shifty?
Get your ass up. What are you doing? What the hell are you doing? What the hell are you doing? What are you doing? Bright orange hair. Just sitting there like, watch out, man. I'm glad y'all don't even be knowing what's going on in the game. Y'all just be walking around. But I'm playing it for real though. You can't hide from me. You can't get out. Oh Lord have mercy. You got that. Go out to him. Come back into me. Oh Lord. What y'all builds to be on leather foods, like that's too slimy. Watch out. Oh Lord have mercy. Another one down, coach. Danny boy, where you at?
All this blood. They got trouble now.
All of them coming from the same way. Where you scurry off to? She's still in the basement? No way, right?
I might be saving you for Grandpa. Hey, come on. I was just playing. Where'd you go? Oh, you need.
That ain't gonna help your cause.
He's opening up shit, so
Always happens.
it's not there. It's not open either? Okay. Damn, bro, don't let me find you, bro. If I find you, it's over for your ass, bro. I heard it. Right? I heard it. I heard it.
Why are you running?
You on the box. I'm on your ass. I'm on your ass. Come here.
I wonder whose blood.
This a fight for me and you.
Better find out.
Yep. Yep. Come on. You got the feet, huh? I got the feet too, though. Oh, you. Yeah. Yeah. I'm on that. Where you going? Where you going, bro? Oh, man. That's kind of crazy, don't you think? GG's.
This is gonna be fun. Lots of fun.
Don't you be giving me this side-eye, woman. This is mine.
Somebody around here has to catch him. Grandpa got him this way. This'll catch him. Oh, man, he's gonna be pissed off about this mess.
Sonny boy. Sonny boy. Sonny boy. Where you going there, Sonny boy? Sonny boy. You scared, Sonny? You scared. You look scared. Oh, man, you look scared, bro. We'll find the rest of the game. Rest time I ran this way. Oh, I wonder why. Shit. Oh Lord. Let me get that stand back. Huh? You got it? Slam it. Slam it, go ahead. I'm with you. I like this. Come on, I like this. Is it alright? Okay, was it alright? Okay. I'll leave you in here too. Come on. I'm with you. Right on your back. Come on. Ooh, fast. Aww. You know just where your safety was. That's cute. I kinda like that. Oh shit. Oh shit. Oh shit, you made it back? That's crazy.
Too bad, Grandpa.
Ain't no way my teammates is upstairs sitting like that. And we got a Nancy and a cook up there, bro. They outside with it like. Oh Lord. That's kind of crazy. Hey. Damn, you healed up for nothing. Damn, you healed up for nothing. Aww. Aww. Healed up for nothing. Healed up for nothing. Oh my God, they just wanted you to be for me. Oh, go jump out the window. Jump out the window. Jump out the window. Put that shit down. Oh, I didn't get a hit. Not a hit. Oh, oh Lord. Oh Lord. Let me just. You wanna jump back down? See if she got back up. Oh yes. Oh yes. This should be fun. Oh man.
I know Grandpa thinks I'm the
Oh
best.
man.
Best.
Oh man.
Over here.
Damn. Like that, bruh? Let me talk to you for a minute.
Ooh. Lots of fun. They'll never see this. It always works. I'm trying. They're pretty shifty for normal folk. Grandpa taught me this little trick.
Then left the game already. She must have died.
Somebody around here has to catch him.
Grandpa ain't gonna tolerate this mess much longer. You better straighten up your record.
You
Oh
ever
shit.
had
Okay.
cheese? It's
Okay.
good.
He probably feeling like the man, huh, bruh? Come on. Let me up there, bruh. Duck ass off of that. Oh, duck ass.
We ain't letting you off.
Let him run. Let him run. Let him run. Yeah. Yeah. I'm about to come down there with you, though. That's the crazy part. That's the crazy part. Yeah, run. Run, run, run. Better pray to God I don't find you, bruh. You leaving blood. That's cool.
You come out now. Why are you running? Fresh blood. Ooh, this'll lead somewhere good.
I saw you behind me. Trust. fine. Give me that. It's gonna happen to you regardless.
Just like Grandpa taught me.
Danny, it's not over yet, Danny, I promise. Let's go upstairs. See what we got going on. Let's cut down. Okay.
Blood. Just like at slaughter pit.
Oh yeah, somebody just came out. Oh yeah. How did she make it out the window if she got stuck in the trap? Well, she didn't go out the window. Okay. Okay. Cool. Cool. One trap into another trap. Come on, double trap. That's what I'm talking about. Come on now. Oh yes. Make him jump back down. You don't want to jump back down? Huh? Come on your ass. Oh wow, he making it. He's making it. This game is something else. You disrespectful, you know that? I'm gonna fucking kill your ass. You disrespectful again. You gonna die. You gonna die. Trust.
You scurry off to now. You're gonna peter out soon. It always happens.
Come on, I told you. I told you. I told you, bro. Come on, I told. All right, let's play. You big and bad, let's play. Yeah. Crack. Aha! Aha! Damn, bro. Oh man. She just bled out. I only hit him one time. Make him bleed out. Make him bleed out. One hit. I had to face watch out. I gotta go find Danny. Mr. Danny. He getting all his teammates killed. Boy, Danny getting all his teammates killed. That's crazy. This dude just like seeing me, bro. He just want me to kill him. That's what it is. You know you're not escaping. You might as well go ahead and go down the well, bro. You might as well, bro. Come on. Go ahead. Go ahead. Come on. Let's go. You think I'm running out of stamina? I understand. I understand. Like you ran out of stamina, huh? Bleed out. Told you. I know it. I know it. You hurting. You hurting. It's me and you. I promise. Me and you the whole game. I see you. I seen you. Come here. Come here. Yeah. Keep being quiet, I know. He a little quick motherfucker, I know that.
Drink it now, man. I'll get you fill.
Dang old and worn out for this nonsense. Why is this on me to fix?
I'm tired of messing with you. You get out of here. I might be saving you for Grandpa.
You know it's over, right? I want you to know that it's over. You better go well again, bro. It's a sad story for you. You know? It's two different types of tryhards out here. It's you and it's fucking me. You fucking done, dude. You fucking done. You fucking done. I'm better. Yeah, disconnect. I know. I know.
This is gonna be fun. Lots of fun.
Ooh, look at them. They getting. Oh, huh? I like.
Dang old and worn out for this nonsense. See what you made me.
Just who I want.
Want to play a hiding game, huh? All right, let's play. Well, played you shifty, like me. Where'd you scurry off to now? You're gonna peter out soon. It always happens. I got you, I got you. You better get out or you'll get it worse. My friend's the best. Oh. You.
Stupid ass. Where you going? Huh? Where you going at? Where you going at? Where you going at? Y'all talk all that in game chat. Where you going? Where you going at? Main one talking all that and dead. All that talking and dead. Another one. Talking all that. Talking all that. Talking all that. Come on. Talk so much in game chat. Lord have mercy. In game chat. Game chat warrior. That's cool. That's cool. Yo, look at Anna. Steady jumping back down. Shoot for me. You done. You fucking done. You done. The main one too. Talking all of that. Died in my hands. Yes, leave the game. Leave the game. This is my fucking lobby. What the fuck are you talking about? Huh, Danny. Danny, poor Danny. Poor Danny. Just walk straight up to the... You went, Danny, boy. You went back that way? You lost. You don't even know. You don't even know what you're doing. You don't even know what you're doing. But you was one of the ones, too. Everybody is screaming in your middle. I'm like, come on. Ducky, where you going? Come on. I make this shit too easy. Don't talk shit when you don't have a game plan. Don't talk shit when you don't have a game plan. Leave the game. GG's.